This one is all about the gold finish. Can you believe it? Guess what? Summer has finally arrived, or however long it might last. To summer, cheers. Continuing with the collaboration with Strongink, this pen kit is a PKM-4 G for gold. The wood I'm using for the pen blank is Hardekool. There's the pen blank already drilled and glued. I'm going to do the trimming for the seating of the brass tube and then put it in the lathe. That side is done. Love this grain. The bushings. Ear protection. The turning process is smooth, taking it down to its final shape. That's looking good. Bit of rough shaping. We use a bit of sanding sealer. That will be enough. Yes. Okay, I'm going to do a 400 and a 600. Do the CA glue and then do the fine polishing. That's ready for CA glue. Nicely sealed. Brilliant. Get rid of all the safety equipment. Excellent. Oh. The shine is there. can't wait to assemble the pen. Brass and wood. Oh, it's going to be a good combination. It's always a good combination. Water break. Okay. Wow. I'm happy with that. This Strongink pen kit, the PKM-4 Gold, is my first. I've never used this pen kit before, and I'm glad I chose it. This is very elegant. Love this. Bring you guys a bit closer so you can have a closer look. Let's have a look. Love the brass. In the final part, I'll do a proper reveal and do a slideshow. Love it. And as usual, it's a good quality pen kit. Thank you, Strongink. Up next, I'm going to do a fountain pen, the PKFT-6 Gold. Oh, mustn't lose this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and all your pen turners out there, enjoy your pen turning and your workshops. And until the next time, laka laka.